Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best IKEA Hemnes bed replacement parts are probably one of the most essential yet overlooked components for maintaining the integrity and longevity of your beloved IKEA Hemnes bed frame, ensuring that those cherished nights of sleep remain undisturbed and comfortable for years to come. Number 5. Replacement mounting plates for bed frame part number 116791. Ensure your bed frame remains stable and secure with these high-quality replacement mounting plates. They are designed for a perfect fit, providing reliable support. Specifically engineered to be compatible with bed frame part number 116791, these plates offer a seamless integration. You can trust them to function just like the original. Replacing your old or damaged mounting plates is straightforward with this set. The design allows for a quick and hassle-free installation process. This convenient pack includes 2 mounting plates, ensuring you have a spare or can replace both sides of your bed frame. Get the support you need with this value pack. Don't let worn-out parts compromise your comfort and safety. These replacement plates will help restore your bed frame's original stability and integrity. What we like. This set provides essential mounting plates for your bed frame, specifically designed to be compatible with part number 116791. If you're looking to reinforce or repair your bed frame's connection points, these are a straightforward solution. They are ideal for those who need a simple, direct replacement for lost or damaged mounting hardware. What people say. The replacement parts fit perfectly with the original Hemnes bed frame, ensuring a seamless integration and maintaining the bed's structural integrity. The quality of the material used for the replacement parts is excellent, providing durability and longevity, which is a great value for the investment. Number 4. Hemnes Bed Frame Replacement Hardware Pack. Introducing a perfect replacement hardware pack for your Hemnes bed frame. This set is designed for an exact fit, ensuring a seamless repair or upgrade. Beyond just bed frames, these parts are essential for various home improvement projects. They are tailor-made replacements for several IKEA furniture items, offering great versatility. These are ideal for a wide range of applications. Use them for nuts and pins on your bed frame or desk, providing a secure and reliable connection. You'll receive a pack of 4 essential pieces. They are manufactured with durable zinc-plated steel and PA6 material for long-lasting performance. We stand by the quality of our hardware. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, we'll make it right with a full refund. It's that simple. What we like. This comprehensive hardware pack includes a Crescent nut, threaded pin, and nut, all designed as a perfect replacement for IKEA parts number 102335, number 111451, and number 104875. It's incredibly versatile, suitable for various IKEA furniture lines beyond just Hemnes, making it a great all-around choice for home improvement projects. If you're undertaking multiple furniture repairs or need a complete set of fasteners for a specific IKEA item, this pack offers excellent value and compatibility. What people say. The bed frame is sturdy and well-made, providing excellent support. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The design is classic and versatile, fitting well with various bedroom decor styles. Number 3. Spare Hardware Parts Bed Frame Crescent Nut, Pack of 4. Looking for a perfect replacement for your IKEA? It's essential for various home improvement projects. It's a tailor-made replacement for IKEA hardware items, making your furniture assembly a breeze. This part is ideal for a wide range of applications. Use it for crescent nuts on bed frames, desks with drawers, or bed frames with storage boxes. You'll receive a pack of 4 precision-manufactured nuts. Each piece is made with durable PA6 material for long-lasting use. We stand by the quality of our hardware. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll refund your order, no questions asked. What we like. Focusing specifically on the Crescent nut, this pack is a precise replacement for IKEA part number 102335, particularly useful for Hemnes furniture. Its design is optimized for bed frames, including those with drawers or storage boxes. If your primary need is to replace just the Crescent nuts for your Hemnes bed frame or similar IKEA items, this pack ensures a perfect fit and secure connection. What people say. The bed frame is sturdy and well-made, providing excellent support. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The design is classic and fits well with various decor styles. Number 2. Spare hardware parts bed frame screw, pack of 4. Tired of searching for the right part? This is a perfect replacement for IKEA part number 111451, ensuring an exact fit for your furniture. Beyond just bed frames, these are essential for various home improvement projects. They are tailor-made replacements for many IKEA hardware items. Use them for a wide range of applications. They are ideal for securing bed frames and assembling drawers with ease. This pack includes 4 precision-manufactured screws. They are made from durable zinc-plated steel for long-lasting use. We stand by the quality of our hardware. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll refund your order, no questions asked. What we like? This pack offers long-threaded screws, a direct replacement for IKEA part number 111451, and is compatible with models like Hemnes and Tarva. Made from durable zinc-plated steel, these screws are ideal for ensuring the structural integrity of your bed frame or drawers. If you find that the screws are the weak point in your furniture assembly or repair, these robust replacements are an excellent choice for added strength. What people say. This is a replacement part for the Hemnes bed frame, and it fits perfectly. The material is sturdy and seems like it will hold up well over time. It was easy to install and required no special tools. Number 1. Replacement camwool locks for IKEA furniture, pack of 4. Ensure a secure fit for your IKEA furniture with these replacement camwool locks. They are designed to be compatible with specific IKEA part numbers, ensuring a seamless replacement. These are commonly found in popular IKEA series like Crescent and Hemnes. Always double-check your assembly manual to confirm part number 115349 for the best match. This pack contains the smaller 25mm diameter spiral cams. Please note these are distinct from the larger 35mm version, so confirm the size needed for your repair. These locks are essential for creating a secure connection. They work by tightening cam dowels, resulting in strong and stable panel connections for your furniture. Installation is straightforward. Simply insert them into the pre-drilled hole and turn clockwise with an Allen key until fully tightened. An Allen key is not included. What we like? These are specialized camwool locks, specifically designed as replacements for IKEA part number 115349, commonly found in Crescent and Hemnes furniture. They are crucial for creating secure and stable panel connections within drawer units and furniture frames. If you're assembling or repairing IKEA furniture and need to ensure the locking mechanism is strong and reliable, these smaller, precise cam locks are the perfect fit. What people say. The bed frame is sturdy and well-made, providing excellent support. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The design is classic and versatile, fitting well with various bedroom decor styles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.